Cowards and cowards!
Ghouls and fiends are on the attack.
This is Halloween, everybody make
Hello, Avengers, and welcome back to an Overwatch news with Bearded Avenger here. And, of course, myself is Condor. And, yeah, thank you for watching our very first episode.
Second.
And now we are on our second.
Yeah!
Once again, we are going to try to get that goal of 100 views for the episode, so then we can do the giveaway. So please make sure to spread the word around to not only making sure that we get to the 100 views, but also for a chance for you to win.
Yeah!
But for news, Blizzard is doing BlizzCon next month, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
And I don't know about you, but I think we should be planning a trip to go up there sometime. Cause
I'm pretty sure I paid for that whole stadium. I played Warcraft ever since the beginning, so
yes.
I feel like I've been playing it. Also, before we get into this whole news thing, if you can notice in the top right corner, I am joined by the lovely, whatever name she wants to go by.
Sarah Zell Swift.
Yeah, I'm not gonna fucking remember that. But anyway, she's gonna be playing along with me. But unfortunately, since our technology doesn't, advance that far, she is going to be muted because we can't hear the TV.
She is also the one who drew the wonderful portrait for the Avengers icon.
She will forever be praised for that because it was such a wonderful job. So while we're talking about the news and yada yada yada, I'm going to be, taking the first helm.
Indeed. And from what it sounds like, we're going to be switching every single time someone dies, so in that way, we can get equal talks.
Some toxin.
Some toxin.
And there she is. There's the beautiful Mrs. Condor.
Yeah.
Yeah. There she is. Oh, perfect. It's so weird. She can't hear us.
I know, right?
But she knows exactly what we're doing.
Exactly.
Perfect. So please continue since you know more. You know more about that stuff than I do.
Blizzard loves doing their cosplays. They will, I'm sure that's going to be an every year type thing, and it's pretty consistent with that. And they do a lot of playtesting, new content that they like to bring out to the community and kind of get everyone's view on it, which I'm super excited to see what kind of new stuff they're going to involve for us in the future of Blizzard.
Well,
Oh,
fuck! Alright, passing it to Condor. Fucking A. Oh, yeah. And always remember that we're probably going to have the camera on her, too. Oh, that's so unfair!
Yeah!
You have to be Doomfist? That's bogus. And we're playing off my account.
Yes.
And also, if you guys have not noticed, we're sitting right next to each other.
Yeah.
So I can stroke him.
Oh yeah.
Every time we're playing. Oh yes. All right, so I really don't know what you were just talking about because I was really focused into it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. You're a way better player. Oh, my turn.
All right.
All right, so back to the news.
So, Heroes of the Storm, they have a lot of... They had a major update because of the event, for the Halloween event, which, if I'm not mistaken, is their first year of doing it on Heroes of the Storm.
I have no idea. We just now started playing the shit out of that game.
Yes, they got a bunch of new skins for all their heroes. Arthas has a pretty good Halloween skin and a couple other ones. And they are doing
Ooh, Torbs.
Stay alive.
Oh god, how do I res?
There we go. For their weekly skill event that they have going on was like a Nova battle or something.
God, dude, the Nova battle was so bad.
I've only done one
Oh.
battle.
Thank God he didn't have to win those. I lost all 3.
I lost. Yeah, I lost my first one too.
It's so bullshit. Because I don't know how to play that character, and oh, dude, you're dead. You're fucking dead,
That's okay.
dude. If you just want me to keep playing, just but hopefully, you know, we'll switch it up a bit.
Indeed.
We'll play some Heroes of the Storm.
Yeah, I'm sure we can get a episode or 2 in, you know, with the weekly events that they have going on, and Halloween event, of course.
Yep.
Let's see. Overwatch just had some minor bug fixes, which is pretty common. Pretty common for the Halloween
Son
event.
of a bitch.
Oh boy,
Yeah.
they're going in.
Yeah. This is not gonna be. See, it's fucking bullshit. You get like the characters I'm somewhat good with.
We'll see who gets Torbjorn. first,
Oh
though.
man, the first person to get Torbs. Oh dude, you're that annoying Tracer.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
I'm
dead.
Yep, pass it.
All right.
We don't play Warcraft anymore,
Yeah.
unfortunately.
But I do know that they're doing a bunch of the typical Halloween events in terms of the Headless Horseman.
Which, how many years did it take you to get it?
To get.
The Headless Horseman.
Oh boy.
Fuck you, bitch! Alright, well, that was fun.
You know, that took me. Gosh, I had to have been 3 years because the first year I started was when Cataclysm came out.
Yep.
And Mr. Pandera.
I'm opening this up.
Mr. Pandera came out, and I believe that's when I got him. I'm a big mount collector. People aren't aware.
You're a mount bullshitter.
Yes,
Me and his wife. I'm sorry, I cannot pronounce, you know, the name that you keep pronouncing.
Sarazel.
Yeah,
What happened to the health pack? Oh,
it was gone.
apparently.
So, she'll vouch for me too. Is that you?
I have insane luck
Yeah,
for mount collecting.
I wouldn't even call it luck. I'd be like, you're a fucking hacker.
Yeah, my favorite. Well, let's talk about World of Warcraft mounts.
Oh,
My favorite mount that I've gotten on World of Warcraft would have to be the Time Lost Proto Drake, because I spent so much time on it, and you know, I was like a little schoolgirl just being so happy once it spawned. You know,
that's awesome.
that was pretty awesome.
Which one was mine?
Well, I know on your birthday you got Onyxia.
Which one's that?
The one with the like 30 different whelps that spawn in right after she flies in the air for a little bit.
No, I have no idea which
no.
one you're talking about.
It's a black dragon.
Oh! That was a random. Oh, okay. The queen?
Yep.
Yeah.
I think it was Onyxia.
No. I was thinking of the blue one. That took me fucking forever to get.
Yeah. Oh gosh, what's that one? Blue Proto Drake?
No.
No.
It's the bird.
Oh, yeah. Ravenlord.
Yes! Oh my god. You know how many girlfriends I went through to get that mount?
How many?
Fucking at least 3.
Wow.
I'm just kidding.
That's how
It
you
was
get
only
the
like
knife.
2. God, do you remember that? That's when I lived at home.
That was.
And that's when me and Mrs. Bearded, that's when we were first dating.
Yeah, and I had the privilege to be there
Oh,
when that mount
God.
spawned for you.
That was like one of the most single greatest moments of my life. Fuck. Of course I fucking may.
Oh, and they got a Torbjorn.
Of course they do. I'm about to fuck it up though. Way to go.
So,
Yep.
with Overwatch,
Yes.
who's your favorite hero?
Oh, dude, don't ask me that.
I am asking you that. The people want to know.
I would have to say Roadhog.
Roadhog?
Yeah. He's a fun character.
He is, he is.
Second would have to be Torbs.
Yeah? I'm always stuck between Torbjorn and Junkrat. I think Junkrat just slightly ahead just because
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you,
have-
fuck you!
I have a golden weapon for him. And you have the golden Roadhog, correct?
Yeah, it's really weird. Especially because...
Torbjorn!
Oh, no way!
It's his eye.
Oh, man. Dude, don't waste the Torbs. Play it smart.
We got this.
Oh, man, that's not fair. You, oh, see? See, you're a fucking hacker. I never, see, I got all the shitty characters, or at least the ones that I'm shitty with. See, now you're gonna go fucking 20 kill streak.
Love Torbjorn.
You know what, I have to, I don't know. I like Roadhog before they nerfed him.
Really?
Yeah. Dude, he can one-shot people!
I don't know. I like him now, to be brutally honest.
Well, just because he can...
He's very tanky now,
Yeah.
and I enjoy that.
Yeah, but he doesn't do the damage that I want him to do. Oh. 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 Oh.
That Torbjorn,
Oh!
that Torbjorn don't care.
Oh, shit.
That Widow's getting.
Yeah!
Oh!
Oh! Dude, you came really close to Molten Core.
That was. I'm very sad.
Yeah, I would have to say Torbs. It used to be Reaper before they got rid of the orbs.
Really?
Yeah.
You don't like him when he does the, the damage he does, he heals?
No,
No?
it's not the same. I feel like I'm not doing my potential. So is that it for news, and we're just gonna play for the next half an hour?
Yeah, I mean, with the news, there wasn't a whole lot that was happening.
No.
Besides, Blizzard's...
we kind of missed the. Oh shit! Come here!
Blizzard's really...
Come here! No!
Blizzard's really focusing on the BlizzCon event that's happening.
Yep.
So,
Why give Winston out of fucking A? Why give Winston out of all the fucking they're so neglecting Doomfist.
I know.
And I suck ass with him, but God, he's
Who was it last year? It was Bastion, wasn't it? Bastion with the skin.
Yep.
So this year it's Winston.
Hmm.
Yeah, I don't know. I thought it was going to be a different character. I gotta know. Is she still up there?
Yeah, why Winston? I still don't know how fucking people are still like really good with Winston.
From the shadows.
Honestly, I don't know how other people are like really good at like.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Oh, the Torbs, dude, that Torbs is still going hard.
Yes, he is.
I bet your wife is just fucking causing up a storm.
Probably.
Oh, get the fuck out of there!
Oh, fuck. Okay, that's our guy. That's our hog.
There's too many pigs.
I was hoping
Oh,
there was
God,
a
dude,
healing
wait.
right there.
Dude, you move around way too fucking like fast for me. That's how you can tell you're fucking way better than me.
Alright.
Uh-oh. Oh, nice. Very nice.
Nope, can't go that
Oh
way.
yeah, so more Blizzard related stuff.
Oh, you're
Who's
so
your
close.
favorite? Since you asked me. Nice.
Oh.
Who's your favorite hero of the Storm character?
Heroes of the Storm character.
I'm still discovering mine.
You know, I love Rexar.
He's so hard to control.
I am one of those people who love to have a companion, no matter what video game, D&D, whatever it is. I love companions just because, playing multiple characters at once is kind of my thing.
Oh! Oh!
And I'm a big fan of Arthas. Arthas is pretty fun. I don't have him unlocked though, sadly. Ooh.
Fuck. fuck.
Dang.
Leave this piece of shit lobby.
Okay.
Fuck.
Bet you it's Torbjorn.
It has to be.
Play of the game.
She probably just got that right at the end.
Probably.
Fucking bitch. Oh.
Up in the air it goes.
Yep. See? At least it wasn't like the selfie one.
Yeah.
Fucking hate that one. Hey, it's our girl.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, back out.
Alright. And then we got one more.
What time is it?
We will double check.
Blah. We're trying to make these videos last a little bit longer. That means you guys, can enjoy shit. Yeah, maybe one more.
One more.
It means you guys can enjoy these videos while you guys are waiting for the the weekly updates.
Exactly, and we got to spoil these guys too. So
Yeah.
we'll play one more for you guys.
Spoil them. We've lost both matches.
Traveling to Route 66.
What are you talking about? They're enjoying this. They love us to suffer.
Yeah, they love fucking seeing me pissed off. Big girls.
Alright, who am I?
Yes, finally, your shitty character.
No. She's a Hanzo main.
Oh, is this Condor?
Attack commences in 30
I've
seconds.
dreamt I was a butterfly.
Meditate.
Yep.
Meditate, there you go.
I am not a snowflake. Ho, ho, ho.
No snowflake is the same. Or it's some shit where he says that.
Alright, team.
Yeah!
Let's do this.
You got a May, so you automatically win.
Go, May, go.
Go,
We got
May!
multiple Mays.
Boom! Nice. Fucking nice, bro. Oh shit, man, that was coming right for
Yes, it
you.
was.
Oh. What the fuck is behind you? Oh, it's a fucking Lucio. Fucking hate Lucio in Heroes of the Storm. I fucking hate Lucio in Overwatch.
Yeah, he's
Oh! Oh!
There we go.
Oh, very nice. Save the Doomfist. Oh!
nice.
Holy shit.
You got this.
No, it's fine, man. I didn't want to play. It's cool. Dude, you're doing your own thing right now.
Alright, alright, alright.
They're not gonna stop it. They're probably gonna regroup.
More than likely.
Or not, whatever. Whatever floats their goat.
Flicks their go.
I don't know. Ran out of things to talk about.
That's okay.
So just enjoy it. Die, 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 die. Yes, 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 yes.
There you
Finally,
go.
yay!
You almost made it to the point, though.
Bearded Avengers turn. Now watch, I'm probably like some Netcher or something.
Genji.
Or Genji, which is probably equally as worse. Oh, oh, oh.
Where do we go?
Ah! No, I'm not dying already. I just got the controller back. Come here, you piece of shit.
Perfect.
Perfect. Let me heal. Shit.
I need healing.
I need healing. Ah!
Nice. Did he wave at you?
I think he did. He's like, yeah, you're not winning.
What's up,
this.
dude?
Oh.
Whoa. Ooh, ooh.
Nice ass. Fucking bullshit! Of course you get Roadhog.
Hey, cool. I have a golden gun.
Oh. That hurts my soul.
I'm sorry.
Should probably wait for the rest of your team.
What? I never do that.
Yeah, you're the one that was. Oh shit! Oh shit! Don't you dare fucking waste this Roadhog. Get in there. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna, like, next time, like next week when we do this,
Yep.
I'm just gonna have you just keep playing Overwatch. Oh, what a little bitch! Oh, dude, we're just way too focused into this.
Just a little bit. It's a little bit more intense.
Nice! Nice, get him! Get him!
We've got us again.
Fucking get him! Yeah! Oh, dude, you're fucking amazing.
Oh, well, thank you.
Just raging erection right now. Oh, there you go. Where are you going?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
On our...
I wasn't the person you were going for. But
Of course it was.
Ooh, heal! Oh! Dude, you're my fucking hero. Oh.
I'm dead.
No, you're not. You're still good. You're still good. Heal, 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 heal. Nice. Nice! Fucking nice! Oh, it's too far away.
Oh god, oh god. The sad part is, we can't hear that.
What?
The rip tire coming in.
Oh, there's a. Oh, yeah, shit. There's our shitty equipment we got going on right now. Dude, that was nice. Oh, okay. Alright, oh.
You know what I would love to see?
What?
Seeing us suffer even more. Us playing on the computer for Overwatch.
Oh my god. We would get so destroyed.
We're playing on PlayStation, if you guys don't know, but
You guys can tell.
yeah.
Oh god!
Jeez.
What the fuck? Okay. See, once again, I'm getting fucked over. Oh, that's because of that bitch.
Theater. Theater.
Good god! Alright, what do they do there?
Jonah? They got a hog.
Oh fuck. Get behind my barrier. Come with me if you want to live. Run! Run!
So to our viewers, I would like to know, what do you guys play most in the Blizzard world? Do you play Overwatch? Do you play...
What are you wearing?
Exactly, you know.
We want to know.
I wear pajamas.
I wish I was wearing nothing right now. Once we get more comfortable with our recording, we can just fucking shoot this shit naked. Why am I not being able to fucking hit anything? Why?
At least you're alive longer.
I know! But still, that's not the fucking point.
Get the pig!
Oh my god, I'm actually attacking something!
And then it ran away.
No.
Oh. We're doing great, guys.
No, that's all you!
What are you talking about?
That was all
You
fucking
and me
you.
as a team.
Dude.
I love Diva.
Oh god. Alright, well it was good playing fucking two characters. Get the pig. Little bitch. Oh You're so good. You're like my hero.
That's what.
Fucking get that bitch. Oh my god. Oh my god! Dude, once again, I have a huge just erection right now, dude. I gotta fuck you up.
We
Oh,
killed
but
each other.
you got him though.
Yeah.
Damn it, dude, we're so close.
But so far away.
Yeah, we're Sam. I mean, not Sam.
Sarazel.
Fucking A! Of course, I'm a shitty ass character.
It's okay.
Or a character that I suck with.
I believe in you. Can't go wrong with 3 healers.
Alright, let's do it. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it. Get in there. Get in there. Throw your fucking monkey body right on there. Yeah! Where are you going? Where are you going?
That.
Don't make me regret wasting that.
Go monkey, go monkey, go, go.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, you got a pig. The monkey's almost dead.
Of course he is.
There we go. There we go.
Oh God!
God, indeed. Get him! Battle Mercy!
Rage! Oh my God, we made it.
Just be careful of that hog, he's gonna hook you.
I know, dude. That scared the shit out of me.
Yep, he's up there.
Fuck you!
He's waiting.
Fuck you! Oh, shit! No!
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 You gotta save her.
Chasing his ass down. Oh! Like a horror movie.
Yes, it is.
Shit, maybe I should focus on healing.
Oh,
Red the monkey! Red the monkey! Oh!
oh no.
Oh, damn, dude, I was so close.
That was.
That was stupid. Of course. Mrs. Condor.
Oh yeah. Oh, you got set up totally different. Oh, that's okay.
What are you talking
I
about?
have my setup, my jump button differently.
Oh.
Basically, all my controls are different. Oh god.
Oh God. Oh, sweet mother of Lord. Come on, man. We gotta win at least one fucking match. Ouch.
No, 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 no.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, dear Lord. How are you doing this?
Block, skill, block.
Alright, 20 seconds. Here we go.
We got this. Everyone's dead. Team
Come on.
kill.
Let me be. Was that a team kill? No.
Oh, we got Widowmaker.
Oh
Okay.
God, 10 seconds.
Now she's dead.
Oh my God, soldier! Oh! 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 Where am I going? Go! 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 6 seconds! 6 fucking seconds!
Go team, go! Go!
Get on it! 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 Fuck! Fucking bullshit! I finally get fucking shit! Son of a bitch!
Oh
I
boy.
hate life.
Play of
This is
the
a great game.
Is that the character I saved?
I don't know.
Or whatever. It's not.
No.
Wait, maybe. No,
No.
it's not.
They killed me.
It's the team that fucking annihilated. Yeah, no, that was fucking worth it.
Oh boy.
Fuck this game. Why do we even play this game? Alright, well, thanks to Sarah Swift. Did I say that right?
Sarah's all swift.
Damn it. Thank you for joining us for another glorious Tuesday.
We got all golds.
Hopefully you did.
Beautiful.
God. Hopefully for your guys' gameplay will be a lot happier than mine will be. As always, thanks to Mrs. Bearded for joining us.
And we will see you guys next week. Next time on Overwatch News.
Yay!
Thanks, guys, and have a good day.
Fucking hate this game. Or until the next video comes up. Fuck.